Question 34. An aromatic compound X contains carbon 79.25% and hydrogen 5.66%. X on treatment with alkali gave a neutral product Y containing carbon 77.78% and hydrogen 7.41%, and the sodium salt of an aromatic organic acid Z, which on distillation with soda lime gave benzene. Assign structural formula to X, Y and Z. सबसे पहले तो X is an aromatic compound, तो इसमें C6H5 ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. Z is an organic acid, जिसके सोडियम सॉल्ट का सोडा लाइम से डिस्टिलेशन कराने पे वी गेट बेंजीन. इट मीन्स the sodium salt is the sodium salt of benzoic acid and therefore Z is benzoic acid. Now, moles of carbon in X is equal to percentage of carbon divided by atomic weight of carbon, which is equal to 6.6. Moles of hydrogen is percentage of hydrogen divided by atomic weight of hydrogen, which is equal to 5.66. Percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen, which is equal to 15.09%, and therefore moles of oxygen is equal to percentage of oxygen divided by atomic weight of oxygen, which is equal to 0.943 moles. अब moles of carbon, moles of hydrogen और moles of oxygen को divide कर देंगे 0.943 से, so we get a simple ratio of the moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which is equal to 7:6:1. X का molecular formula हो जाएगा C7H6O. Now X is an aromatic compound. X aromatic compound है तो X में C6H5 group present होगा. अब according to the molecular formula there are 7 carbons, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. तो C6H5 में 6 carbon और 5 hydrogen आ गए. So 1 carbon, 1 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is left. And 1 carbon, 1 hydrogen and 1 oxygen can make a functional group which is CHO. Therefore X क्या होगा? X हो जाएगा C6H5CHO. Now X on treatment with alkali gave a neutral product Y. अब Y में moles of carbon हो जाएगा percentage of carbon divided by atomic weight of carbon, which is equal to 6.48. moles of hydrogen हो जाएगा percentage of hydrogen divided by atomic weight of hydrogen, which is equal to 7.41. percentage of oxygen होगा 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen, which is equal to 14.81%. moles of oxygen हो जाएगा percentage of oxygen divided by atomic weight of oxygen, that is 16, and this is equal to 0.921 moles. अब moles of carbon, moles of hydrogen और moles of oxygen को divide कर देंगे 0.921 से, and we get a simple ratio of the number of moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in Y, which is equal to 7:8:1. तो Y का molecular formula हो जाएगा C7H8O. Now C6H5CHO on treatment with alkali gave a neutral product Y and sodium salt of aromatic acid, which on distillation with soda lime gave benzene. Therefore the sodium salt of aromatic acid must be sodium benzoate and the acid will be benzoic acid. So C6H5CHO forms acid. Here it is the sodium salt of the acid and a alcohol. ये जो alcohol है, it is Y. If we compare the molecular formula of this alcohol and molecular formula of Y, then both are the same. Therefore Y is C6H5CH2OH and Z is C6H5COOH. So C6H5CHO forms C6H5CH2OH and sodium salt of benzoic acid, and this sodium salt of benzoic acid on distillation with soda lime gives benzene. Therefore Z is benzoic acid and Y is C6H5CH2OH.